Hey guys, today going to be doing a review on my Victorinox Army camo knife. So yeah, so it's really nice. Let's get that focused. Victorinox. It comes with a knife which is pretty sharp. Let's test it and try it. So it just shreds through there, no trouble. The next thing is a nail file with like, keep it there, so I suppose you could, and then, not sure, and then you could just like, yeah, and then it comes with a pair of scissors which are pretty good as well, and so yeah, they cut pretty good. See if they cut through two sides of cardboard. Yeah, pretty easy. You might think, oh, is that it? But no. It does come with a pair of tweezers. I'll get them back in. And comes with a toothpick. So it's really nice and small. Fits on your keys, and it's like disguised, so you can't really tell that it's a knife on your keys. There's a little key ring bit there. I'll go get my keys, 2 seconds. Actually, they're there. So I'll just pick them out of the box. So they're here, so I can just get this and then put it on, and then it's mixed in with all my other keys and my lighter and that. So yeah, it's really nice. And if not, I have it hooked onto my carabiner knife. I have it hooked in like that, and then it's hooked on with that like that, and then I have that knife there, so it's hooked on. But yeah, so that's my review. Please comment, rate and subscribe. And the reason I've only got like 10 videos at the minute is because I deleted all mine because they weren't like all like professional and that. So anyway guys, please comment, rate and subscribe, and thanks for watching.